would like to make our viewers aware of the consequences of the environmental damage and the climate crisis we are faced with today, and how it is crucial for us to take action and do our part as beings on this planet to stop the harm and destruction we are causing our environment.
Our art installation is partly inspired by The Great Wave of Kanagawa, a famous painting by Japanese artist Hokusai. But in our installation, we have interpreted it as a wave from our Indian rivers polluted over time with plastic and all sorts of toxic waste, which make it lose its purity.
The first step in making our installation was brainstorming. After we came up with an idea, we collected the materials required. Next, we painted the waves and stuck the plastics onto them. Then we added in some art pieces made from plastic along with other materials so as to obtain our desired outcome.
During the project, we worked together relentlessly as a team. We learnt about different mediums and materials. To show sustainability, we thought of different ideas to incorporate recycled waste. We learned skills as simple as using a glue gun and as complex as working in a time constraint. It was a very cherishable experience for all of us.
For our mediums, we've used acrylic paint for the wave, and we've also tried to reflect the same color scheme as Hokusai's Great Wave. We've also recycled some plastic waste, which will provide textural difference to our art installation. The wave acts as a base for our installation from which the plastic pops out.
We feel rewarded by the outcome and how we all worked efficiently towards making this art piece.